Okay, so this is a strange one on me, folks. So here we are, we're looking at DeWalt here. They got this DeWalt, yeah, this is a rapid open folding workbench here. And that's how it, comes like this. You carry it, and then you fold it open and you stand it up. The interesting thing about this one that's got me kind of laughing here is when I look at the price on it, it says it's $99 there for the workbench. And when I first looked at it, I go, hey, you know what? That doesn't really seem like a very good price to me. And I'm thinking to myself, well, what is it normally then? If this is supposed to be like a special or something, right? So I look over here, and then it says right there, $99 value for $99. And that's kind of funny because, usually here at Home Depot, when you're seeing something that's on special here, let me show you right next door here at this Milwaukee here. They've got this one here. It says buy this $199 and a $267 value. So at least you're saving about $70 here, right? And like here's another set they have here that says, okay, $299, okay, for this charger set here, and its value is $387, right there. Okay. So that's that M18 charger with the 2 batteries that they've got here. One of these is the 5 amp hour, the other one is the 9 amp hour battery. So when I come back over here and I look at this thing, and I'm like, what the heck? How is this a deal? I don't see any bargain here on here whatsoever. I see nothing. So your guess is as good as mine on this one, folks. So I'm looking around here. Same thing on the other side. They didn't change the sign or anything on this one. So who knows? But it is a nice workbench though, because it says it takes only 3 seconds to set up. So I don't know if any of you have one of these. Hey, let us know down in the comments. Let us know how you like this. The thing is really heavy. I can't even pull it out with one hand. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down for a second. Yeah, the display was so tall that I really couldn't pull the thing all the way out with one arm, trying to hold the camera with the other one. But let me see. So this is what it looks like when it's standing up on its own. It does stand up, which is pretty good. It's got a handle here, and it's got a carrying handle here. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. And I'll just zoom in real close here to show you what it looks like when it's all set up there. So it does look pretty sturdy, tough plastic. So anyway, I just wanted to call your attention to that when you're seeing stuff that's allegedly, or it looks like it might be on sale here at Home Depot, it might not really be on sale. So that to me is saying, hey, 0 off of the price compared to like what you're seeing with some of these other items here. By the way, these Milwaukee pack-out organizers right here, this one here is still on sale at $19.99. They're normally $25. I've actually paid $25 for a few of these a few months ago. So even after 4th of July sale is over, these are still, as of today, still $19.99. And we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up below. That tells us that you like us. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon. That will tell you every time we get a video uploaded. And we hope you enjoyed this one, and we will see you next time.